Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to download Instagram pictures in high quality. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Instagram app. From here, scroll through and find the picture that you want to download. Once you find the picture, tap on Share. And then tap on the share icon again. From here, tap on Copy Link. And once it's copied, open your browser. From here, search Insta Downloader. Now, go to the second link of Instagram Downloader as shown here. Once you're in the website, just paste the link you just copied and then tap on Download. Now, wait for a bit for it to process. Once it's done, you will get an option to download the picture from the link you pasted. Now, just tap on Download and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.